Welcome guys. So responding to Rob's hateful and abusive comments about me. I'm not at his level in arm wrestling, so I'm definitely not going to drop to his levels in abusing someone online totally unnecessarily. So why did my 6-0 prediction against him hurt him so much that the video that should have been about praising Sasho for his strength and skills and congratulating him actually turned out to be a rant, abusive rant against me? Actually, it was not just one prediction. I made 5 predictions about him, and in fact, all 5 of them turned out to be absolutely true. That is why he was so salty. So, prediction number 1 about Rob Vigent Jr. As soon as the match was announced on that very same day, I said that it is a bad matchup and Sasho is going to win 6-0. And even on match day, just a few hours before the match, I said that I am 100% sure that Sasho is going to win this 6-0 and the match isn't even close. And that is exactly what happened. So I'm not sure what part in this actually hurt his feelings. I cannot find one. My prediction in this match is 6-0 Sasha Andrea. I don't think it is even close. And coming to the next 4 predictions, I actually made this post on Arm Wrestling Uncensored, but then I deleted it because I got a couple of comments saying that this is spoilers. So that is why I deleted it. But I took a screenshot, luckily. So prediction number 1, actually prediction number 2, but 1 in this post. RVJ lost because he has a job and Sasho is lucky he doesn't have to work. Did he say that? He actually did. He said that arm wrestling is not his profession, it is a hobby for him. Listen to what he said.
If I was getting paid like a job, maybe I would treat it like a job. I'm not a professional arm wrestler. I'm not. Some people are. I happen to be a hobbyist.
So prediction number 3. RVJ got only 1 month's notice. Did he say that one too? Yes, he did. He actually said that if he had 2 months to trade instead of 1, the result would have been different. Are you guys saying this?
I admitted it, that I came into this not as trained as I could be. A couple months of training, I win that match. And that would really hurt your poor little assholes.
So point number 3, Sasho is juiced. Luckily, he did not blame Sasho directly this time, but instead, he called out Ryan Bowen for using steroids. Can you imagine a video about his loss against Sasho contains abusing Ryan Bowen for using steroids? Amazing, man, amazing.
How does it feel, Ryan, that my flat tire bicep still annihilates all your juicy gains? You get juiced up and weigh about 20 kilograms more than me, and you're still not a fraction of my scale.
But in fact, he has said that in the past. He has blamed him, and if like him, I start sharing DMs in my videos, his DMs in my videos, then he has said it today that Sasho is on steroids. So point number 3, check. 4 predictions right.
Look at Sasho. He's this wide and gained about 70 pounds in about what amount of time? Let's be real. I'm a realist here. If we want to talk real talk, let's talk real talk.
So Rob, I'm not saying you are on steroids. Actually, I have always said that I believe you are natural. But when someone tells you that you cannot have 20-inch biceps without steroids, you reply, you are saying that because you do not have them. That is your response. And now you are actually saying that Sasho got this wide, so he must be on steroids. So what is wrong with people who are saying that your biceps are this big, so you cannot be natural? Try to connect things. And you actually totally ignore the fact that you selectively compete in those leagues that are not drug tested, where steroids are kind of allowed. And yet you are blaming Sasho, who has been competing in tested events forever, since forever, and been tested what, 10-15 times at least till now? You are blaming him for using steroids. Not saying that you are, but you should not do that. So what? He lost to the number 1 guy in the world. Change my mind. Did he say that one too? Yes, he did. A couple of times.
And who the fuck are you to rag on somebody for losing to the best guy in the world? Yet when I take an L after being off for years to the best guy in the world, no big deal, right? No big deal, best guy in the world.
And Sasho, as Engin Terzi clearly said, is not the number 1 guy in the world at his weight. Still, he said that 2 times. And abusing someone online may be a cool thing to do in your dictionary, not in mine. And what is up with you? You're calling me a nobody, and yet my predictions, which all 5 of them turned out to be true, is actually hurting you, making you so salty that you have to make a video about me? Come on, man. Don't act like 10.
I'm 40, but I look 20.
And you act him.
Yeah.
So thank you for watching, guys. I know some of you came here just to hate, but consider these 5 points, these 5 predictions, and tell me, weren't they true about Rob? Didn't he say exactly those 5 things? I think that opinions should not hurt Rob, and even if they do, at least the right opinions, the right predictions should not hurt him. Till then, bye bye. Please think about these 5 points.